YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you guys with yet another J Talks Crypto. If you're brand new to my channel, hit the subscribe button as well as bell notification. I do my best each and every day to give you guys the topics in cryptocurrency. Guys, I'm on a mission to hit 100,000 subscribers. Can't do without you guys. Appreciate you all. Let's talk about some crypto. Also, gotta let you know too, I'm not a financial advisor. It's not financial advice. Just the homie Crypto J. Don't make any buying decisions based off this video. As you guys can see, market looking a little volatile right now. Coming in at a 2.6 trillion dollars and 29 on the fear greed index. We're starting to see this Bitcoin volatility, and I'm wondering, was this price action legitimate price action that we saw this weekend, or again, was this just leading us up to this early in the week shakeout that we sometimes see happen? We did talk about the fact that we did have a rising wedge forming here, and now we are trying to see if we could possibly break out of some of these consolidation ranges, right? We do have some key support that we're sitting on right now, just above 84.5, which is solid that we were able to make a bounce, but at the same time, we're still not out of the woods. As a matter of fact, we might even be breaking down the time of the video. It's hard to say, right? But overall, again, we are still in an uptrend on the monthly. So as long as we do not break down too much under this 84.5 level, then we should still possibly be seeing Bitcoin maybe break out of this resistance. But again, we do still have resistance here. We are not out of the woods yet, guys. We're still in a downtrend on the 1 year. We got to start breaking up, or again, we might see a retest of some of these lower levels down here, maybe even a retest of that 74 range, possibly even by Sunday of this week if we cannot get out of this range. Like, that's how much volatility we could really see. But on the other coin too, I mean, we could really break out of this range right here, and this is going to cause a lot of FOMO, and we already saw how much FOMO can move a market cap, right? We just witnessed that on the last pump. So that's kind of something that I'm just paying attention to with Bitcoin. A lot of the rest of the market moving accordingly. It seems like things are seeing very little loss, you know, maybe just like 1%, 2%, except for Trump going down like 5%. But it seems like around the board, a lot of stuff is just like kind of barely moving. So we'll see what will happen with Bitcoin. It seems like the market's still in decision mode. We'll check it out. As you guys can see, Toshi coin still itself sitting in decision mode and actually not looking that bearish. So a couple things could play out in this type of scenario, right? On this 4-hour chart, either we could, you know, have created this little, you know, Batman looking thing that was really the McDonald's arches we talk about that don't do it, right? And then we could have like possibly also a Nike check telling us that we rejected off this range. Again, that bear flag, not good, right? But again, we're still in an uptrend too on Toshi coin. So, you know, we can still, if we consolidate here, actually we could be forming a bull flag, right? This could be a bull flag on the 4-hour. So if Toshi coin does decide it wants to start curling up a little bit more, maybe we can see some more upside. It's going to require us to see a breakout of this. What price is this? 145. So we're like pretty much right there. We're at 130, 143. We're like in between dropping and pumping. So in my opinion, we had the volume. The volume was there until Bitcoin started losing its volume, and then the market got speculative again. Doge coin's still up today. At the time of the video, 7%. In the past 7 days, guys, up 50%. Shout out everybody who bought it 90K or 90 million. But at the same time, you know, maybe we do need to see a retest of some of these lower ranges if Bitcoin decides to wants to break down. Ultimately, guys, it's going to be up to the market. Nobody can predict the future. I do want to know what you guys think, though. Are you bullish on Toshi? Are you bearish on Toshi? Are you bullish on Bitcoin? Do you think that Bitcoin has found its bottom? We did talk about, you know, the news behind the tariffs and them holding back off the tariffs, but then also, you know, we're still in a tariff war with China. That one didn't like get resolved. So still that can be, you know, something where we can see some fear in the markets due to that. In my opinion, Bitcoin has really got to bust a move off this 84.5 zone. Again, don't want to see this thing starting to break down. And it's definitely a possibility that we're already starting to see this thing losing volume, right? We could see it really when we pull up these Keltner channels on the 1 day. You know, either we are creating a bull flag here or we're going to start retesting this. And if we start breaking down below this again, it's going to create fear, because look, every time we've gotten up above this and we start trending below this, you could see that just kind of like have some side consolidation and then some sell off. So just some stuff to pay attention to. We got to get a confirmed breakout. In my opinion, we have not had that breakout yet. We still need to see it. And we could possibly see it this week if we can get some bullish news out of Bitcoin, or again, maybe not. Pretty much, in my opinion, this thing is either it's gonna print big green or big red pretty soon. I feel like it's either gonna be breaking up to that 86 range, or again, we're gonna be starting to break back down and retest some of these lower ranges. If that's the case, I would expect across the board for the market to just be ultimately super red. But as always, guys, it's up to the market to decide. I want to know what you guys think. Let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you're not yet tapped into my Patreon, join us over on Patreon. We keep you guys up to date on all the news and stuff like that. If you guys enjoy this video, again, hit that like button, hit that comment section. It all helps in the algorithm. And yeah, I'll catch you guys next video. Peace.